Innovation is such an important aspect of any man's life, but the Igbo man takes it to a different degree because Igbo people are so innovative in Nigeria. We're all over the place, from the north to the east to the west. If you go to a town and you'll see an Igbo man, run. Because at that point, there's not business there, there's no growth there. Anywhere there's growth, you see an Igbo man. So for me, innovation is one of the keys to what I love about being Igbo. My name is Chukwuemeka Okubara Jr. and my Igbo is beautiful. If you see me, call me Igbo.